toddy cup. We have an unboxing. And we just picked this up from post office. Pie post office called us up. We went in to collect. So let's open on film. Okay, see something special straight on top. This should be songrams it will be songrams Keith. Open another time. We have Sibgrams, Blackberry Moon Rock, Sibgrams, Grandmaster Sexy, Sibgrams, I believe it's Apple Banana Candy, and then this, I believe, is a promotion by Nung Song Sam C and get Nung on the small buds. This little greenhouse. Mac 1. Lemon. I believe I'll be sampling the lemon first. Yes, very small buds here. Popcorn Rainbow Bolt, I think. Bangin'. And we have Popcorn Red Skunk. And we have Bruce Banner. I believe these last half packs were in Sib Songs, packs of 12 Gs. Okay. Yes. Hope you enjoyed unboxing of fresh flowers. Now it's time to sample the lemon. So, if you've been watching this video, then please remember to subscribe and a like is very much appreciated, and if you could share, it will help Breatharian Travels to grow. Cop and Cap. See you all on the next video.